Hey, John, my name's Amelia. I was calling about a house you have there in Mesa.
Okay.
Do you still have that house available?
Yeah, everyone's calling me.
I'm not the only one. Would you mind if I asked you a couple of questions?
Okay.
Are you sure? You don't sound very excited.
No, I'm sorry. We're just gonna eat dinner. Yeah, but I have a few minutes.
Okay, well, I won't take up too much of your time. Can you tell me a little bit about the property? How many beds and baths it is?
Yeah, it's 3 beds, 3 baths. We're just getting a divorce, so I gotta get out of here.
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. I understand. How quickly are you looking to get rid of it?
As soon as it sells.
As soon as possible?
Yeah.
What condition would you say the house is in?
It needs some work. We had tenants in there for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah.
About how long has the tenants been there?
They were there for like 7 years, and they freaking tore the whole place up.
Okay.
I don't even think the AC is working now.
Okay.
They just really pissed me off.
Oh, I can tell. It sounds like it was sounds like a little bit of a hassle. So you don't think how long has it been since you've been to the property?
I was over there last week.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. So you don't think the AC is working?
No.
Oh, okay. Probably needs some paint on the inside and out.
Oh, yeah.
How about the roof? What do you think about the roof?
It's tile. I think it's fine.
Okay. Okay. Sounds good. So you're looking to get rid of it pretty quickly. What's the price you're looking for?
We got it listed at $325.
Okay. What's the address on the property? I didn't actually see an address.
I don't think it's even on the MLS. It's a 10555 East Crescent Avenue in Mesa.
All right.
So is it for you or?
Well, I am looking to purchase some properties there. I'm an investor in the area, so came across your property.
You were one of those damn realtors trying to list a property.
No, I'm not one of those damn realtors. I'm just looking to invest in some properties there in the area and came across your information. And so I thought I'd reach out to you. If you just bear with me for 1 minute, I'd love to look up the address if you don't mind.
Okay, yeah. I just got a minute though.
I'm here. What's for dinner tonight?
Just some leftovers.
Yeah, leftovers is a good night. So you said it was 10555 East Crescent in Mesa?
Yes.
All right. All right. Yeah, leftovers is a good dinner here at my house usually.
Not so much at ours.
No, not so much at ours. All right. So you're looking at 325. If I offered you 300 cash today, would you be willing to consider that? And it's okay to say no. You can absolutely say no.
How soon can you close on this?
I could probably close in about 10 to 15 days.
If you can close on it that fast, yeah.
All right. What would be a good email address for me to send some paperwork over to you?
It's sunsfan@yahoo.com.
All right. And John, can I get a last name if you don't mind?
Yeah, it's Zobrosky, Zobrosky.
That was Zobrosky?
Yes.
All right, John, you can expect some information from me within the next 24 hours.
Okay.
All right, sounds good. Hey, thanks for taking my call. You guys have a fantastic dinner. I hope you have a wonderful week. All righty, bye-bye.
Woo!
I don't know what I'm doing.
That's awesome. You sounded so clean, like you've been calling for, man, it was good. The questions
You have
were
no
good.
idea how much my heart is racing. So now what do I do, Brandon?
That's
Good job.
I didn't think anything about, oh my gosh, there's so much work that needs to be done. Now I'm shaking in my shorts here.
You was natural. That was pretty natural. You ain't nothing to be scared of.
Oh, you did good. I think you did really good.
I don't know what to do. Thank you.
Yeah.
So now I think he's calling me back. What do I do?
Okay, go ahead and answer it.
Okay, what do I say?
Just ask him what he needs. Yeah.
Okay. Amelia.
Hi, this is John Zabrowski. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing really good.
Good to see you in person here.
You're there?
Hi, I'm John.
Oh, thank God. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta send him $300,000 somewhere. Awesome. Thank you so much. Holy cow, I feel so much better now.
Amy, look, I didn't want, I knew I that's how they got me at the event. I didn't want to ruin it though, because you was doing so good. I said, I'm gonna let it flow.
Thank you so much. Holy cow. What do I do now?
By the way, so how did you feel when you're on the phone?
I felt very nervous and my heart was pounding, but I'm a note taker, so I was just going through some notes. So.
By the way, how did I want to hear from everyone? How did she do overall?
Good. Good. You're good.
Are you feel relieved now that I'm John?
Yes, holy cow. Thank you, John Zabrowski. I'm glad that it was you, because it's like, oh, now what do I do? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna talk to Brandon.
Man, I was feeling for that guy too. I was like, dang, that sucks. He's like, what a number to call, divorce and everything.
Yeah.
and those leftovers he gotta eat, man.
I know. I was like, girl, stop touching on the paint so hard.
I was just trying to make him feel good about his leftovers.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
No, hey, but the thing is, I wanted you to go through the experience, right? You understand that everyone's going to be different. You're going to have good calls. You're going to have bad calls. And the hardest call you ever have to do is the first one.
That was awesome. Thank you.
Now you got that out of your system, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome.